ubus ang bilis.
Alright, just get ano. Just get.
Ayan. Walang wood.
Oh my god, village.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. Get tricked, boy.
Oh my god.
Just get wood. Just find wood. Just get wood. There's wood there. There's wood there. Shut up. Oh my god.
Tinunta ko nila, nag-attempt sila, pag-attempt sila, hindi ko nag-aagaw.
Oh my god, village.
Papunta siya sa village.
Alright. Just get wood. Just get wood.
Oh my god.
If I get diamonds, vulnerable na kayo.
What the fudge? No way! No! If he kills just one of us, we're dead. No way, dude! That is so fast! That's too fast. Let's just run, dude. Let's just run. No!
Hindi na ako.
Namatay ka?
No! We already won!
I mean, if I kill Jillian,
He won! Oh my god!
Pumunta ka dito. Meron ako stuff.
Wala na! Nakakuha na siya ng diamond.
Dalawa. Naka-diamond na siya?
Oo.
Talo na.
kapag napatay ko si
Hindi,
Jillian,
okay na.
No, not yet.
Fine. Kill Jillian.
Tapos naman to eh.
Oh my god, that is so fast!
Wala na, matatalo na ako dito.
That is too fast, dude. That is just too fast. You can't do anything about it, you know? You just can't. It is just too fast.
Panalo?
Oh my god, that is so insane. Dude, just kill Jillian. Oh my god, don't make it too long.
Bro. Let's get speed run.
Dude, our time.
Alright, fine.
That's good. Only 30
I mean,
minutes. Oh my god.
I'm low.
Just be fast.
Alright. 4 minutes. You can pass it. You can beat
Why would
me.
you do it? Is so.
You can kill me if you want. Come on.
Jillian, wala ka ng ano, wala ka ng